Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the flip through of our Old Time Rose file folder journal. We are doing back to basics for January, and so this is our second project that we've worked through, just a single signature 6x9 file folder journal using the Old Time Rose journal kit from Happiness and Crafting by Gi Kerr. And this is my design team project. So I have a simple seam binding closure. Now this seam binding is not coffee dyed. I dyed it with oxide sprays, and I believe I used gathered twigs and vintage photo. That's what I used, and so it gives me that. And then I kind of rolled it up in a ball and let it dry. So I've just taken the file folder. If you're interested, follow the playlist and you can see this start to finish. It measures 9x6. Like I said, it's got a three-hole pamphlet stitch. Whew, losing my words. So when you open this, there is a little tuck spot here that's just closed with the paper clip. The paper clip can go anywhere. It doesn't have to go at the top or on the side. There is a pocket here, and I've got a couple of tags from the Old Time Rose collection, some writing paper. I have done that double-sided. Just a little bit of extra paper there. And then this is one of the lovely designer pages, and we have a corner tuck with a tag. I've got some tan paper and some graph paper, more tan paper. Here's another one of the designer pages with a pocket from the ephemera, tag from the ephemera. Another page of tan paper. I wanted to make sure there's plenty of writing. Writing space here. This oval can be used as a tuck, and I've got a piece of sheet music, more tan paper. There's a little top tuck, another designer page with a little tuck here and a tag. Beautiful designs. I've got some tissue paper. Like I said, lots of writing space. I wanted to make sure that this was going to be a writing journal. And we've got some journal cards and some tags and pocket that came with the ephemera in this collection. Just a little tag here, a little doily, the tan paper. Taken one of the pieces and just glued it there. I love this ornamental page. I've got a belly band with a focal point there, a little bit more writing paper. This one's lined, and a tag. Beautiful, beautiful collection. Tan paper. I've got some ledger paper there, and this is also can be used as a tuck. Looks like I need a tag for this one and this one. So where I've doubled up, I've got two tags. I'll stick those in there. This can also be used as a little tuck. I've left it open there. And then this is the back side of all of the pages. I've got a vertical belly band there. Again, there's a tag here and more writing paper. Another ornamental page, a doily, tan paper. This is not a tuck. I did glue that one down. Here we have a journal card with a tag. This one is not a tab tuck. This one's not a tuck. It's just a decorative ornament at the top of the page. And then we've got that tissue paper again. And it's fun to write on the tissue paper. And another corner tuck here, top tuck here, music page. This one can be used as a tuck if you like. Another pocket with a tag. Plenty of writing space, as I said. And this one was a lot of fun. I didn't really have to do any work. Plenty of room. As you can see, these pockets are wide enough for you to add quite a few things back there. And then back here we've got the other flip with this pocket has a couple of tags, one of which I'm going to put in the center pocket, and a writing page there, and then I've got these smaller journal cards in this little tiny pocket here. So this can be closed this way on the top or not at all. It really doesn't interfere when you close it because we're using a tie closure. But if it bothers you and you want to have it closed, you can do it at the top or on the side, and then we will just tie it closed with our seam binding, and there we go. Okay, so I love the little bird on the back. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope I was in frame for most of that so that you can get an idea. I thank you for watching. This will be available in my Etsy store. The link will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.